Alright guys, we're gonna play some golf. I ain't gonna be able to do it the way I wanted. I wanted to walk, but they wouldn't let me. So we got a 427 yard par 5. We're gonna tee it up, grip it and rip it.
Let's go.
I love playing golf.
It don't matter if a horse is blind, just load the wagon.